Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru channel. So our main discussion is problem based on ages. How to find father ages, son ages, daughter ages, mother ages. This type of problem done. And next we consider technique number 3. In technique number 3 is very easy. We can solve in within 5 seconds one problem. So the problem is that if first we consider technique number 3, if M is S elder to N, S he is younger to P, and sum of the ages of N and P is T year, and N less than M less than M less than N less than P, N less than M less than P, then M's age is age of M is sum of the ages of N and P by 2, and sum of the ages is T given T by 2. Here our answer. So this is our technique number 1. I repeat again, M is elder to N, S he is younger to P. M is elder than what? N, but he is younger than P. But N and P, their sum of the ages is N and P is T year, and the condition given M is greater than N but less than P. Then age of M is sum of the ages of N and P dividing by 2, and answer is T by 2. We can write year also, this year, this one. Now this our condition. So by using this condition we can solve within 5 seconds one problem. Whether you believe or not, just I will examine whether you believe or not. If Akshay means not Akshay Kumar, actor Akshay, this is the name of the person. If Akshay is as much elder than Vinay, as he is younger to Kartik, Akshay is elder than Vinay but younger than Kartik, and sum of the ages of Vinay and Kartik is 48 years. Then find the age of Akshay. Solve this problem by using this condition. Akshay is much elder than Vinay. This is Akshay means M. That is Akshay is M. Akshay is much elder than Vinay and he is younger to Kartik, and sum of the ages of Vinay and Kartik is 48. Then find the age of Akshay. So solution, age of Akshay equal to present age of Akshay equal to sum of ages by 2. Sum of ages of Kartik, Vinay and Kartik, this is 48 given. 48 by 2, this is 24 year. This is our answer. Very nice solution. Very short. Just what is given? Akshay. Here given Akshay is elder than Vinay. That means Akshay greater than Vinay. But he is younger than Kartik. He is younger than Kartik. This condition given. And sum of the Vinay and Kartik, this sum given is 48. Then by formula, sum of the ages of N and P dividing by 2. That means Akshay and Vinay, Vinay and Kartik, their sum is 48 dividing by 2 equal to 24. Within 5 seconds we can solve this problem. Very nice solution. There another problem. This is cousin of previous problem. This own cousin. Whether cousin or not, just you have to examine. Kashish is as elder to Arun as he is younger to Manish. The sum of the age of Arun and Manish is 26 years. Then the age of Kashish is 12 year, 14 year, 13 years and 15 years. And it was set in SSC 10 plus 2 2014. Now what is given? Kashish is elder than Arun. That means this one given K greater than A. But younger than Manish. K is younger than Manish. Just like this formula, n less than m less than p. The age of m is this plus this dividing by 2. Sum of the age this and this dividing by 2. So solution here given, Kashish is as elder to Arun as he is younger to Manish. The sum of the age of Arun and Manish is 26 years. Arun and Manish, their sum is 26 years. Now what is the age of Kashish? That means 26 by 2. No need to calculate. Directly we write in memory 26 by 2, then 13. So solution, though no need to calculate, just I want to write the age of Kashish, the age of Kashish equal to sum of ages of Arun and Manish. Arun and Manish dividing by 2. Their sum given 26. 26 by 2, this is 13 years. So option C. C is the correct option. Very nice solution, very easy solution. So we can solve, not need to 5 seconds. Within 1 second or 2 seconds we can solve this problem. Very easy solution. Another problem. Leela got married 6 years ago. 6 years ago, Leela married. Today her age is 1 and 1 by 4 times her age at the time of her marriage. Her son age is 1 by 10 times her age. What is the present age of her son? This is a problem. What are given? Leela got married 6 years ago. 6 years ago, Leela got married. Today her age 1 and 1 by 4 times her age at time of her marriage. Her son's age is 1 times her age. What is the present age of her son? Option given 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. And it was set in CTET 2017 1. Now solution is start. So we have to write some line. Let the age of Leela of her at her marriage was X year. Let the age of Leela of her at her marriage was X year. X year. We consider when he was married, then age was X year. Now present age will be this plus 6. Therefore, present age of Leela equal to X plus 6 year. X plus 6 year. But here given today her age is 1 and 1 by 4 times of her present age. So according to the question, X plus 6 equal to 1 by 4 X, this one given. Then this will be X plus 6 equal to 5 by 4 X. and 4 multiplying this side, 4x plus 24 equal to 5x, x taking right hand side, then x equal to 24. We get x equal to 24. Next, we get the value of x. This, therefore, present age of Leela. This is 24 plus 6. This is 30 years. Present age of Leela, 30 years. But our requirement, her son age is 1 by 10 times her age. What is the present age of son? Therefore, present age of son, present age of her sons equal to 1 by 10 into 30. Present age of Leela. Present age of her sons, this, then this is 3 years. This is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy, very simple. So, dear students, I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.